If your Tesla Model S CarPlay keeps dropping out, it is usually a software glitch or a hardware mismatch. Nearly 80% of disconnection issues are traced back to poor quality cables or old software versions. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your phone and Tesla talking again. Start with a hard reboot of the Tesla MCU by holding both scroll wheels until the screen restarts. Inspect your cable for fraying and use a toothpick to gently clear any lint from your phone's port. Disable any active VPNs on your iPhone, as they often block the initial handshake required for CarPlay. If you are using a third-party wireless adapter, the problem is likely signal congestion rather than the car itself. A simple system reboot resolves nearly half of all reported Tesla connectivity issues. If problems persist, perform a deep power cycle from the safety menu and reset your iPhone network settings. Always keep a spare MFI certified cable in your center console to rule out hardware failure. Before you buy a new phone, check if Tesla has released a service bulletin for your specific model year. With these steps, your Model S should maintain a rock-solid connection. Subscribe for more Tesla troubleshooting tips.